Hello everyone, I am Dr. Devika Ayekpam, working as an assistant professor in Sociology program, Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, Assam Downtown University, Guwahati. So today we are going to discuss about the meaning, definition and scope of sociology. So firstly, let's go to the meaning of sociology. The word sociology is derived from the Latin word socius and the Greek word logos. The meaning of socius is companion or associate or society, and the meaning of logos is reason or knowledge or study. Thus, the etymological meaning of sociology is companion knowledge or the study of society. So, we can say simply that sociology is the study of society, or it is the scientific study of society, or it is the systematic study of society. So, let's see what sociology is all about. The subject of sociology studies the wide range of social worlds. So, sociology studies the various aspects of society. The everything that is related to the society is being studied by this subject called sociology. Sociology tries to understand the social issues. There are so many social issues in our society, like poverty, unemployment, drug addiction, corruption, and in during this time we can give also give the examples of this pandemic issues. So all these things can be understood by studying this subject called sociology. Sociology also studies family, community, associations, institutions, norms, values, status, roles, etc. So all these aspects are related to society, and the sociology, being the study of society, studies all these aspects. Sociology also studies social change, social control, and social processes. As we know, the society is not static, it's a dynamic thing and it keeps on changing. So, sociology studies the various facets of social change, the various factors that lead to the social change, and the various forms of social control. For example, the law, the police, the civil society organizations who are trying to control the society to bring order in the society, and other social processes like competition, conflict, assimilation, accommodation, etc. So all these things are being studied by the subject called sociology. So according to Anthony Giddens, sociology is the scientific study of human social life, groups, and societies. So here I would like to mention that everyone also are aware that there are so many social groups. Like we can give the example of the primary social group, secondary social groups, and the various types of society, how they exist, how they coexist uh, in the society. All these things are being studied by the subject called sociology. So who are sociologists? The person who studies sociology are called sociologists, and some of the famous sociologists are Auguste Comte, Emile Durkheim, Karl Marx, Max Weber, Harriet Martineau, Talcott Person, Robert K. Merton, etc. And Auguste Comte is known as the father of sociology. So in competitive exams and also there are questions like who is known as the father of sociology. So the answer is Auguste Comte is known as the father of sociology. So let's come to the definitions of sociology. There are many definitions given by various sociologists, but let's discuss only few. According to Auguste Comte, sociology is the science of social phenomena subject to natural and invariable laws, the discovery of which is an object of investigation. Fairchild defines sociology as the study of relationships between man and his human environment. H. M. Johnson writes, sociology is the science that deals with social groups, their internal forms or modes of organizations, the processes that tend to maintain or change these forms of organization and relation between groups. According to Kimball Young, sociology deals with the behavior of man in groups. Next, we have the scope of sociology. So, there are two main schools of thought when it comes to the scope of sociology, and they are specialistic school of thought and synthetic school of thought. Let's discuss it one by one. Specialistic school or formalistic school. So, a specialistic school of thought is also known as formalistic school of thought. So, this school of thought believes that sociology is a specific and pure and independent science, and it believes that the scope of sociology is very limited. The person who belongs to this school of thoughts are George Simmel, Max Weber, Small, F. Stonis, etc. So, this school of thought believes that sociology is a very specific science, and it deals only with specific aspects like the social relationship, social actions, social behavior, etc. And it's not related with any other social sciences like political sciences, economics, etc. So its scope is very limited as it deals with only a specific aspects of the society. Here we can mention that Max Weber said that sociology is nothing but the interpretative understanding of the social action. So he believes that sociology deals only with the social actions or the social behavior. So thus the scope of sociology should be very limited. Next we have the synthetic school of thought. This school of thought believes that the scope of sociology is very vast, and sociology is closely related with other social sciences also. And sociologists who belong to this school of thoughts are Auguste Comte, Emile Durkheim, Ginsberg, Sorokin, etc. So this school of thoughts believe that the sociology is not an independent science, and it's related with other social sciences like political sciences, economics, anthropology, history, psychology, especially the social psychology. So it believes that sociology doesn't study only a specific thing, it studies all aspects of the society. So the scope of sociology is very vast. So when it comes to the Imam Durkheim, we can give the example like he said that the scope of sociology can be divided into three divisions like the social morphology, social physiology, and the general sociology. Like the social morphology dealing with the specific aspects like the population, size and density of population, etc. And social physiology like a very uh, particular aspects like the religion, law, as we have the sociology of religion, sociology of law, sociology of knowledge, etc. And lastly, he said that he talked about the general sociology that studies about the general aspects of the sociology and its relationship. So this school of thought believes that the scope of sociology is very vast. So that's about the meaning, definition, and scope of sociology. So thank you very much.